Hey everybody, welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. Well, hey guys, today is the day. It is going to be out with the old and in with the new. So I have basically outgrown this conglomerate of boxes here. This is a bunch of actually Harbor Freight put together. It's not real Snap-on. I wish it was. My buddies played a prank on me and they decaled it up because they knew I always wanted a Snap-on box but could never afford one. And I've had, let's see, I bought this bottom box and this box here about, I don't know, 2001, 2002, before there was even the Harbor Freight stores. They didn't exist. You got the catalog in the mail and you had to order from them. So I ordered from them and they freight shipped both of these, and later on down in life I ran out of room and added another one here, and then added the top chest. I was able to buy these from the stores because then the stores started popping up in the mid 2000s, but it is full. I don't have any room for anything else, and I'll finally get to cross that line off the bucket list and get actually a real nice toolbox. So the Snap-on man will be backing up here to the shop, and I will be getting a 68-inch Epiq in Sonic Blue with a stainless top. So that's awesome. I can't wait. I know there's going to be some people out there that are going to be hating on it, saying, you're paying too much, you should just get another box or this, that, and the other. But you know, hey, this is what I want. It's going to last me for 30, 40 years till I die, and I can always get parts for it. Snap-on's going to be around, so be excited for me, guys. Anyways, I'll bring you back when the truck comes. Well, I finally got my box emptied and out here. I'm just waiting on Ken to deliver my new box. So I figured I would answer a couple questions that's probably going to get asked in the comments. So you know, the new box I'm getting is 68 inches long, and this conglomerate here is 76. So the new box comes all the way to here. But the new box, one, is taller. It's got more room that way, but what is extremely beneficial and what is lacking on this style of box is, the problem is the drawers are only 22 inches deep. Actually, this is even less than this one. This is about 15 and a half. All right, so 22 wide. So the problem is when you have long ratchets, especially when you get into 3/4 drive stuff, you know, you can't put it this way. So if you're lucky, you can get it in diagonally, but then what it does is it chops your drawer in half. So now you've lost the optimal amount of space. So you're trying to pack tools here because, you know, you got to stick it there. And if it doesn't fit there, where are you going to put it? I mean, this is your big drawer, but the problem is this is where all your sockets go, because your sockets are too tall to stick in here. And if you lay them down, then you lose a lot of real estate. So that hurts you. So, you know, the design of the box is not bad for, you know, home use and weekend warrior kind of guys, and it served me well for, you know, what, 16, 17 years. But you know, the new box, not only is it 68 inches long and it's taller, but it has 30-inch deep drawers, so you can put your long ratchets and your long wrenches and all that stuff that way. Plus it gives me a couple other drawers that are actually long too. It has one big one that you can stand your sockets up, but the other stuff will fit in there in the long drawers. So I figured I'd answer those questions, because somebody might say, well, why not just get another one of these and add it on? Or, you know, like I said, it's still not going to help me much. Or you know, why don't you get a monster box, or what, strictly toolboxes. You know, they offer a fairly decent box, but you know, are they going to be around in 20, 30 years just for the little bit of savings that I'd get by not buying Snap-on? You know, probably not. And You know, I looked at used boxes on eBay and Craigslist, and I also asked my dealer about, you know, hey, you got a good clean repo or a scratch and dent? And that's when he worked some numbers on this new box, because after the new, or I shouldn't say new, but after the big conference they just had in Nashville, where all the franchisees go and they unveil all new tools coming out and stuff. So they got a lot of new different style boxes and a lot of different colors. So corporate's got a good push on the boxes right now, and that gives the dealers the ability to, you know, work some really good numbers. So I'm basically getting a box. Well, I don't want to actually say, because I'll put it this way. This is the price of the box. This is about what half the price would be, and I'm like right down here. So I'm getting a screaming deal on this box. My dealer is really hooking me up. So that's why I'm getting it also. So figured I'd talk about that while I'm waiting on Ken to arrive, and it is blazing hot and the hurricane is coming. So hopefully I still have a shop, because that would suck if I get a new box and my shop blows away. So anyways, guys, hang on, he'll be here shortly. Well, he's here, backing that puppy on up. I trimmed the bushes Saturday so he won't scratch his truck. Let me move some stuff around. Hey. Well, there she is, guys. What do you think? This is an awesome box. This is the Epiq series. It's 68 inches long, and you've got, look at that real estate, 30 inches deep. Plenty of room now for the big stuff. If that ain't enough, I got another one. If that ain't enough, I got another one, a little bit taller, but the full length of the box. And then you got the nice super big drawers down here at the bottom. So hopefully you can see that. Actually, let me bring you in and see what you think there. So look at that nice thing there, boy. Plenty of room for stuff, and they handle a boatload of weight. I can't remember how much this drawer handled, but several 100 pounds. So nice stainless top. So like I said, this thing will last me a lifetime. So I am glad to have this new piece of equipment in the shop. It's going to serve me well, and probably outlive me. Anyway, so hey, give me a thumbs up, because we got new equipment in the shop. Don't be hating, and we'll see you guys later.